Have we found the missing link between dinosaurs and birds? Yes or no, it depends on who you ask. Like, what are you looking for in particular? We've got critters like Archaeopteryx, which are a beautiful kind of in-between that sort of bridges the gap between non-avian and avian dinosaurs. But what came before Archaeopteryx? That's the thing about missing links, and why I'm not particularly fond of that term, is that as soon as you find the missing link, then suddenly there are two more missing links on either side of it. Yeah, the more that you find, the more gaps you create. So yeah, but we've got, in a lot of ways, a pretty decent transition from birds to dinosaurs in like a mosaic evolution kind of sense. Meaning that like different features that modern birds have show up in dinosaurs. Some of them are super early on, things like wishbones. Some of the first theropod dinosaurs, really early on critters like Coelophysis, they already have a wishbone. We think that all theropod dinosaurs probably had wishbones. But other things like feathers, like semilunate carpal bones, the like half-moon shaped bone in the wrist in birds and in bird-like dinosaurs. Things like pygostyles, the short, stubby, like tail nubbin thing that birds have that the tail feathers attach to. All of these things appear in different groups of dinosaurs, and not necessarily in like a super clean and neat order where you're just accumulating traits as you move along. Sometimes they'll pop up in one group but not in another group, and that's kind of how evolution works. You know, it's not a straight orderly progression from one group of animals to another. It's much more complex. It's not like a straight line of descent. It's often more of a kind of a tangled bush, if that makes sense.